In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the internal portions from the front view, because you can do pockets with our scroll saw to cut out inside pieces. I'm not actually going to do it with my car, but I'm just going to model it right now and probably end up deleting it later. Coming in though, one of the things I want to do is go to my camera view front. I don't think I saved in my last video, so I always make sure to save just so we have our most updated model being in our H drive. Next thing I'm going to do is go to a thing called the circle tool or the rectangle tool. I'm going to also delete my guides because I have a few guides that I don't need right now. I'm actually going to go out of my model and do the same thing by deselecting edit delete guides just to get rid of all of them. Alright, double click to get back into my model. Now I'm going to go into my circle tool and I'm just going to put a circle back here right around that 6mm mark. So 6, enter. If it's not quite in the right spot, you can move things around, but you have to use your selection tool to select the inside surface. Use your shift key to select the outside portion. The shift key allows you to deselect or select more than one, and then from there I can use the move tool. If I hover over the circumference, I can go into the middle and move that around. And I just want to kind of get it so it's centered here. Go to the outside edge, other edge, right around here. If you zoom in, you should usually get a little bit more play. Now I'm dropping that. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the thing called the scale tool. And this is going to allow me to take your square, rectangle, oval, and stretch it. So I'm going to come in, zoom out so I can see what I'm doing, and move that way, and also move it this way. And now I have an internal cavity that I can end up push-pulling. So, selection tool, push-pull tool, because I already have it selected. And then I'm actually going to deselect beforehand, double-click into my model, because I got on my model by selecting that. And then I go to the push-pull tool, select my inside surface, and go to the back side. One thing I realize right now that I'm actually using my full car, it's better if we're in our half car. It's just easier to see where you're clicking, and then click on that back edge. Going to my front view, now you will see that I have my car with a cavity. If I orbit, you'll see kind of what's going on there. If you click your full car model, you'll see how your car looks overall. Kind of orbit around to see that by depressing your scroll wheel and sliding around. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this helps.